Welcome back to the mat. Today I would like to offer a little tutorial on a Pilates exercise called the 100. If you've ever taken a Pilates mat class, chances are you have done this exercise, and if it was your first time, you probably found it to be impossible or nearly impossible. So today I just want to explain a few things about this exercise that make it more realistic and manageable. So the first thing is that even when Joe Pilates wrote the instructions to do this exercise in his book, Return to Life, he explained that it would be very difficult to do all 100 counts and that you should do what you could do and then take a break and then jump back in again. So that's the first tip I want to offer, is that you don't have to do all 100 counts the first time. You can build up to it. The second tip I want to offer is a position that I think is really good when you're first learning the exercise. So once you're lying on your back, let your knees fall all the way in toward your chest, and then you can take your hands to even help you pull your shoulders off the mat, and then reach your arms at your sides. And then pump the arms, right? This is the exercise. You're going to breathe in for 5 pumps, and you're going to exhale for 5 pumps. Try to breathe into the back of the ribs and try to shrink your waist when you breathe out. Let's do 30. So you're going to inhale and exhale. And we'll say that's 30. And then you might take a break. The third tip I want to offer is to keep the tempo up. If you go really, really slowly, sometimes teachers do that with beginners, and it just makes it so impossible to stay for any length of time because it's so slow. Keep the tempo up. It's an up-tempo exercise. So again, okay, and as you get stronger, you'll get through the whole 100, and then maybe you can add straightening your legs, and then maybe you can add lowering your legs, so you can make it more challenging as you get stronger. All right, so as I like to say, base hits make home runs too. Do what you can and you're going to see the improvement. Good luck, and we'll see you next time on the mat.